Thank you, ma'am.
I request Dr. Ram Reddy, Head of the Department Physiology, to please do the honors of presenting the degrees to the student. Dr. Dodaka Tarun Kumar, Dr. Dommata Aditya Santosh Reddy, Dr. Dornala Manasa, Dr. G. Manasa, Dr. Kavita Krishna Karthik. He is also awarded Certificate of Merit in Microbiology. Dr. Gadde Lakshmi Sanjana. She is also awarded Certificate of Honor in the second year MBBS, Certificate of Merit in Biochemistry, Pharmacology, Microbiology, Community Medicine, Ophthalmology, General Surgery. Thank you, sir. Please give a loud round of applause for the graduates as they take their degrees.
I request Dr. Rekha, Head of the Department Biochemistry, to please do the honors presenting the degrees to the students, ma'am. Dr. Gantasala Vaishnavi. She receives subject-wise gold medal in biochemistry, Certificate of Honor in the first year of MBBS, Certificate of Merit in Biochemistry and Pharmacology. Dr. Gillela Vidushi Reddy. She's also been awarded Certificate of Merit in Pharmacology and Forensic Medicine. Dr. Girkala Shravani. Dr. Guduru Samaikya Gayatri. Dr. Gummi Reddy Sri Rachna Reddy. She is also awarded the Certificate of Merit in Ophthalmology and Forensic Medicine. Thank you, madam.
I request Dr. Manik Das, sir, Head of the Department Microbiology, to please do the honor of presenting the degrees to the student. Dr. Harshita Aribandi, Dr. Himaja Karuturi. She also receives subject-wise gold medal in microbiology, forensic medicine, aggregate silver medal in final MBBS Part 1, Certificate of Honor in first, second and final MBBS Part 1, Certificate of Merit in biochemistry, anatomy, pharmacology, microbiology, forensic medicine, ENT, ophthalmology and pediatrics. Dr. Irene Albee. She also receives subject-wise gold medal in anatomy, physiology, pharmacology, pathology, ophthalmology, community medicine, general medicine, obstetrics and gynecology. Aggregate gold medal in the first, second, final MBBS Part 1 and 2, Certificate of Honor in the first, second, final MBBS Part 1, Certificate of Merit in biochemistry, anatomy, physiology, pharmacology, microbiology, pathology, forensic medicine, ENT, ophthalmology, community medicine, surgery, obstetrics and gynecology. She is also awarded PC Reddy Gold Medal and also Kevya Prasad Memorial Gold Medal. A big round of applause for Dr. Irene, Dr. Jujala Reshma Kamala. She received Certificate of Honor in final MBBS Part 1, Certificate of Merit in Biochemistry, Microbiology, ENT, Ophthalmology, Community Medicine, Surgery, Obstetrics and Gynecology. Thank you, sir.
I request Dr. Aruna, Professor of Pathology. Please, Madam, come. Do the honors of presenting the degrees. Dr. Juveria Fatima. Dr. Kakulur Jai Deep Sai Gaud. He also received Certificate of Honor in First MBBS, Certificate of Merit in Biochemistry, Anatomy, Microbiology, ENT and Ophthalmology. Dr. Kalva Venkat Praneeth Reddy. He also receives Certificate of Merit in Ophthalmology. Dr. Kanajam Shweta Sri Vaishnavi. She also received Certificate of Merit in Pharmacology. Dr. Kanuganti Sai Kumar.
Hello?
Dr. Kaveti Ujwal.
14 kilometers.
Thank you, Madam.
I request Dr. Sandhya Manohar, in charge department, head of the department, Forensic Medicine, to please do the honor of presenting the degrees to the student. Dr. Ketawat Sai Charan Nayak. Dr. Koganti Prateek. Dr. Kolla Alok Chandra. Dr. Kona Purkar Bharati. She also received Certificate of Merit in Ophthalmology. Dr. Konda Niveda Anki Reddy. She also received Certificate of Merit in Biochemistry, Anatomy, Forensic Medicine, ENT, Ophthalmology and General Surgery. Thank you, ma'am.
I request Dr. Sridhar Reddy, Head of the Department ENT, to please do the honors in presenting the degrees to the students. Dr. Kritika Sahe. She also received subject-wise gold medal in ENT and general surgery, aggregate silver medal in first and second and final MBBS Part 2, a certificate of honor in first, second and final MBBS Part 1, certificate of merit in biochemistry, anatomy, pharmacology, microbiology, pathology, forensic medicine, ENT, ophthalmology and general surgery. Dr. Kuchi Botla Sujita. She also receives Certificate of Honor in second MBBS, Certificate of Merit in Biochemistry, Pharmacology and Microbiology. Dr. Kurapati Varshisht. Dr. M. Vamshi Naik. Thank you, sir.
I request Dr. Sanjay Reddy, Head of the Department of Ophthalmology, to please do the honor of presenting the degrees to the student. Dr. Mallila Vimala. Dr. Maria Gijo. Dr. Muhammad Asar Khan, Dr. Midindi Srinivas, Dr. Mohana Akineni. She also received Certificate of Honor in Final MBBS Part 1, Certificate of Merit in Pharmacology, ENT, Ophthalmology. Dr. N. Lakshmi Priya. She also received Certificate of Merit in ENT.
Thank you, sir. I request R. Prahlad Raj Purohit, Head of the Department General Medicine, to please do the honor of presenting the degrees to the students. Dr. Narappa Raju Sravya, Dr. Nausheen Sultana. She also received Certificate of Merit in Ophthalmology. Dr. Neha Shrikant. She also received Certificate of Merit in Biochemistry, Microbiology, Forensic Medicine, and Ophthalmology. Dr. Neha Surana. She also received Certificate of Honor in 2nd MBBS, Certificate of Merit in Biochemistry, Pharmacology, Microbiology, Forensic Medicine, ENT, and Ophthalmology. Dr. Palle Manohar.
Yes. We are just connected with Chairman, sir.